Are you a breastfeeding mama wondering if the keto diet is safe while breastfeeding? In this video, we'll cover if the keto diet is truly safe. Hey guys, if you don't know me, I'm Julie and I'm a ketogenic health coach, and I specialize in working with breastfeeding mamas to help them safely lose the baby weight, all without losing their milk supply. So with the keto diet being so popular these days, one of the top questions I get from mamas is if the keto diet is truly safe while breastfeeding. And this is a question I was wondering myself when I first started my journey. In short, the answer is yes. The keto diet is truly safe while breastfeeding if done correctly. I do teach the keto diet to be done way differently while breastfeeding than when we aren't breastfeeding. So first, let's go over what a study has to say. So sadly, there isn't a lot of research done on the keto diet while breastfeeding, but I did find this amazing study. Let's quick take a look at it. This study looked at 7 healthy lactating mamas and compared them to eating the high-fat, low-carb diet to a high-carb, low-fat diet. So what did this study find? Daily milk production and the amount of milk stayed the same in both diets. Neither diet had a negative effect on the lactose and protein concentration. The study also found that the milk fat concentration was actually higher in the high-fat, low-carb diet. Also, the daily caloric fat intake was much higher. The high-fat, low-carb milk had more calories and was more nutrient-dense. How amazing is that? The other exciting thing that this study showed was that the breastfeeding mamas could actually lose more weight while consuming the high-fat, low-carb diet than the mothers could doing the high-carb, low-fat diet. So in short, that study showed that the breastfeeding mamas doing the high-fat, low-carb diet could still lose the baby weight all without affecting their milk production and still supplying for their babies with the nutrients and the energy needed for proper development. How amazing is that? So the next question I get all the time, how will the keto diet and ketosis affect my baby? So the first thing we want to look at is that, did you know that your baby is naturally born in a state of ketosis? And the whole time you are exclusively breastfeeding them, they are in a natural state of ketosis. And then breast milk from a healthy mama is made up of 50 to 60% fat. So your baby is naturally in ketosis the whole time you are breastfeeding them. So if your baby is naturally born in a state of ketosis and benefits from using fat and ketones as fuel, then why would it be an issue for breastfeeding mamas to follow a ketogenic diet? So now, with this all being said, I have worked with over 600 mamas and have seen personally that mamas and babies thrive on a ketogenic diet. Like I mentioned before though, I do teach the keto diet to be done differently, so make sure that you change the keto diet up while you are breastfeeding. So to wrap up here, yes, the keto diet is safe while breastfeeding if done correctly. So make sure to check out my other video. I'll put the link up here on the 6 tips that I suggest changing up while keto and breastfeeding. And I hope that you found this video helpful, and I'd love to know what questions you have about the keto and breastfeeding diet. Make sure to post them below so I can answer them for you. I hope you guys have a great day.